Let's prepare this delicious egg puff puff, Bofrot or toogbei, anyhow you call it. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. This was very chewy, delicious, fluffy and perfect, and this was after so many hours. Let's get into it. I have with me here my 1.5 cups of water. Okay, you can use milk of your choice, but today we are not using milk. I added a tablespoon of yeast, and then I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of sugar. After adding that, I will then go ahead and mix everything together. And when I am done, we will place this in a warm place for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. Now I will add 2 eggs to that, and then we can continue. If today is the first time here, please, after watching this video, do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is very free, okay? They don't take money. But if you are watching me from Facebook and want to subscribe for that, it is not free. But if you follow, it is free. I'll be very happy if you subscribe on Facebook for me. I've added a tablespoon of vanilla, and then I added 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then I added my 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which you can use soft flour. So I will mix everything together and then we can continue. Please do not forget to share this video to others, and I'll be very grateful. You can do this without the egg and you are good to go. You can do this and instead of the water, you can use your milk. So please do well to watch my other puff puff recipes or my Bofrot toogbei recipes, and you will love them. Okay, thank you so much. So we are going to mix this and make sure it is very smooth before we continue with the process. I hope you understand it. Yes. Please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and you will love the recipes we share there as well. We share short videos on our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Very detailed recipes, and trust me, you will love them. So after mixing everything, we place it in a warm place for 50 minutes, and this is how it looks. It's doubled in size, and now I have dipped my hand in it to bring out some of the air, and we are going to drop this in our oil. The oil is on fire already, so this is how I'm going to drop it. It should be between your thumb and then the next finger to it. Okay, you just have to squeeze it through there or drop it through there. I hope you understand. Yes. Now the oil was not very hot and the heat is on medium heat. Okay, when it is very low, it is going to absorb a lot of oil, and that is not healthy. You know, it is not good. Yes, and it is very high. The inside may not cook very well, but it will burn. So just take your time and make this very perfect for the family and friends, and I'm sure they will love it. Now I'll just go ahead and then flip it to the other side. When you don't hold it, okay, they can rotate and then or turn by themselves, and you are going to get it that beautiful, just like how you are seeing on the screen. You can see they are rotating. Yes, so because it is not too much in the oil, and we have that beautiful puff puff or Bofrot. Just look at that. This was very chewy, soft, fluffy, and oh my goodness, just look at that. So perfect. Do you get it? So at this point, our Bofrot is ready, but we want that brown color. Okay, we want it very brownish, and then we can remove it from the oil. Just look at that. So beautiful, so perfect, and I just love it. Now it is ready, and I will go ahead and remove everything from the oil. And after I remove them, I place them on my paper towel whilst the paper towel was in the colander. Okay, so that we can bring out some of the oil from it. And just look at this. This was after so many hours when they were done eating. Okay, I said, okay, let me show you. Just look at it. Very fluffy, soft, chewy. Just say, I get try and to say the puff puff or the bofrot we've been buying on the roadside. Very chewy. Just look at that. You see? Very chewy. Thank you so much for watching, and so I come your way next time, please do well to try this. See you in the next one. Take good care of yourself. Bye.